them quick. The babies have hatched.
Really?
They're hungry. Look at two of them opening their mouths. I think there's one little guy still in an egg.
Yep.
Two are hungry. And two are sleeping.
I guess the one that's still in the egg was the last one to get laid.
Yeah. Oh, look at the little guys.
Well, good thing I told you to check.
You did remind me to check.
Good thing that there's a lid on the worm. So the worms don't get eaten by those hungry babies.
Yeah, you're saving the worms. Well, these guys gotta eat something though if they want to fly soon.
Well, they're not going to fly soon if they were just...
Well, they don't have feathers yet. They're all pink and gray.
I know.
Look at their little baby mouths.
Did you see the egg? Hey guys, so as you know, the baby birds hatched. We were just playing outside, and then I came up with the baby birds. I thought they were still eggs because we didn't hear any chirping. That's weird because some of them are really hungry. And normally when they're really hungry, they go cheep, 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 cheep. Right?
They sure do.
So it's kind of weird.
They're just coming out of their shells today though, so I don't even think they have their cheep yet because one little guy is still in his shell. Right? We had 5 eggs and we today have 4 babies and 1 egg still.
And that means, so let's say you had 5 eggs and take away 4. How many more eggs do you have left?
You
One.
took, yeah, that's right. Good math. So we had to leave those baby birds though because the mother was flying around in circles.
And she was mad. She was probably looking for that worm.
Yeah, looking to feed her babies, looking to protect her babies. She doesn't want humans by her babies, does she? We're not going to hurt them. No, no, no.
No.
But
But some people do like eating birds, so sometimes animals are protected.
it's smart for them to protect their babies. It's true. Well, Ellen, that was really cool. I'm glad we caught them on their day they hatched.
Well, they might have hatched last night.
Maybe, but we did check on them yesterday, and they had not hatched yesterday.
They probably hatched when we were looking.
Maybe. So we call this their birthday.
Their birth,
The bird's birthday.
the birthday,
Yeah.
day.
Well, it's pretty exciting. We never had a nest of baby birds before. We got to figure out what kind of birds they are. They're just little brown birds, not a robin. I don't think they're sparrows.
I think they're chickadees.
They're not chickadees.
They're chickadees.
You're going to call them chickadees?
Yes.
Oh, but the mama's not black and white like a chickadee. We know chickadees very well from all our hiking and feeding them out of our hands.
Chickadee, chickadee.
You're just going to call them chickadees? Cool.
And that's pretty much what chickadee babies look like. But bald eagle babies look hilarious.
So birds are born with no feathers, right? They're just born with a bit of fluff, and then they grow their feathers. And when they get their feathers, then they can fly, right?
Well, maybe not that big, but yeah. And we learned from one of my French teacher's emails, they said they have an egg tooth to come out of their shell.
That's right. On the end of their beak, they have a little egg tooth that helps them chip away their shell. And they keep that tooth for how long, do you remember? 1 week. And then that tooth falls out like your baby teeth fell out.
Yeah. I mean, they don't grow a new egg tooth.
No, they don't. You did grow new adult teeth, but they don't grow a new egg tooth. You're right. Well, thank you so much, Ellen. We'll check back on those babies tomorrow, okay?
And maybe that one has hatched.
Maybe the last one will have